Steve and I have an '07 Explorer Limited in the shop here, and we're getting ready to put in front fog light.
All right, so we're gonna pop the fog light out. It's all faded out. So we got a little squeeze tab. We're gonna hit right here and slide the connector down and off. Now these things have these little plastic things here, and you gotta try and squeeze them. Yeah, we're trying to get these clips to push in it. They ain't wanting to really cooperate. There goes one. I did one. There it is. There's two. All right, I think we got it. Yep, okay, it's coming out. All right. So we're trying to squeeze these tabs in here to get these to come out. And the new one is just going to pop right in. And the new one, we bought a TYC, and it was very reasonable, and I've used the brand before, so comfortable with it. So, and the new one's just going to pop right in. You gotta just line up the holes. It comes with the new bulb already. Match up a connector, and the connectors, the bulbs are the same. We're gonna put a little bit of bearing grease on this so that it kind of slides in. We want it to be lube. We can use dielectric or whatever, but that's what we have right now. So I'm gonna lower the car down and get these all lined up so that we know they're going in straight. And let's see if we can just get it to press right in nice and easy. We got a little grease on here. And I'm gonna put a little in the hole right here real quick. See if we can get these to line up. Looks all right. Okay, they look like they're in. All right, let's go underneath and see what it looks like. Okay, they look like they're all popped in. We can plug in our outlet, our plug now. And that'll take care of that.